Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find the settings. Now let's scroll down and tap on Security and Lock Screen and scroll down again to Encryption and Credentials. Let's tap here, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got the Clear Credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you are ready to remove all the contents, let's tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter to confirm, and as you can see the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.